Here's a C3 at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Underneath the hood, the original numbers matching 350 small block shove power. That's paired up with a numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a good look at the front end on this car. It's kind of a burgundy metallic saddle interior. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. You may find a few imperfections here or there. See, there's a little touch-up spot right there. But overall, nice looking car. Still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally wheels. Beauty rings, center caps, Goodyear Eagle GTs. Technician did note those are starting to show their age a little bit. There's plenty of tread on them, but they're getting up there age-wise. Down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, you might have a little nick or a little touch-up here or there. It's one of your cars, or one of those cars, I should say, that'd be fun for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Bucket seats, center console. There's that 4-speed manual transmission. You'll be able to see the T-tops in and out in the still pictures. And it has the body color matching T-tops with the storage bags. Of course, 73 chrome rear bumper. Last year, a chrome bumper. Complete dual exhaust, technician said, front to back. A few other notes from the tech on this one. It does have a 4-barrel quadrajet on it. Rear wheel bearings a little loose, and front and bottom ball joints a little loose. Something that the next owner may want to be aware of down the road. Also mentioned the tach was in op. Brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. And your typical seeps from powertrain car that's driven. And again, all those still pics. Look at the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And those that have subscribed, thank you. Over 100,000 subscribers. We appreciate it. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice looking interior on this one in the saddle. Great color combination. This is a steering wheel cover. If you wanted to take that off, that would be removable. It matched nicely. We left it on. Let the next owner decide. Door panel looking good. You can see it appears to be leather. Saddle. Seats. Carpeting looking nice. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And if you stick around at the very end, Jason will be taking it for a drive so it goes down the road. Another note from the technician, it's a cable-driven tach, I believe, in op, and I did not have the radio fire up was the other thing I noticed in here, so I did not have the radio working, wipers worked. Good look at the top of the dash, nice shape. As far as gauges, doesn't appear the clock's working. Oil pressure came up, battery moved. That was a cold start. I want to expect temp gauge, and fuel gauge is working. Odometer reads 28,628. I cannot confirm or deny if that is original, due to the fact the miles are not recorded on the title. Once the car is a certain age, they're marked exempt. Sounding good, listen to that. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Slip up to the front quick, take a peek at this engine bay. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. We'll check those headlights quick too before Jason takes it for a spin. AC is 134A. It's been converted. Looks like a newer compressor. Tech noted that it will need some attention. He didn't have it blow cold, so it may need to be recharged. It appears everything's hooked up. The clutch is nice and quiet. The compressor's not making a bunch of noise. Pull the light switch there. Headlights appear to be working correctly. And back down. Looking for a C3, here you go, 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. Numbers matching, engine and trans. Nicely equipped. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles well so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a 4-speed manual right here between the seats. I've got T-tops over my head. The left turn signal is working. Nice smooth running Corvette and a great color. Accented well by that beige on the interior. Consider this a good test of the car's capabilities on winter roads. Great sounding Corvette. Gauge is working well. The speedometer working. The fuel gauge showing a quarter of a tank. The water temperature about 180. The oil pressure about 50 to 60 psi. Battery charging over halfway on the gauge. We are clock equipped. I cannot see that counting the seconds, but we are clock equipped. Now the tachometer is not functioning. The blower motor works on this Corvette. Nice, comfortable bucket seats. Currently a cover over the steering wheel. The steering wheel is black underneath. Black outer edge with the beige center, complementing the gauges and the center surround well, black and beige. Smooth braking, easy to steer. Everything you want in a Corvette. Let's take this traffic circle up here. Bring it down to second gear. Yes, we did just get dumped on with a bunch of snow. Very fun car to drive. Sounds great. Find all the pictures of this 73 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.